Oh my god. These fucking midges. Oh, I should have bought a fucking bug net. I don't have a bug net.
I'm gonna die. I'm seriously gonna die.
I haven't been out on the bike much lately, so when we saw a gap in the weather, me and Tom decided to make the most of it. We left work on a Friday, packed quickly, and set off with a rough idea of where we wanted to pitch up for the night. Most of the way up, biggest climb of the day, not too far to go. Tom's back there somewhere, not too far. Where is he? Oh, he's not far. I'll probably wait for him at the top. I have decided not to wait for Tom. Not because I'm a bad person, but because he goes much faster downhill than I do. And he'll probably catch up with me before I even get to the bottom. Oh, there's no traffic. Must have timed it well with the ferries. It is not going well with these contact lenses. I don't have a lot of experience with them. And well, the left one was okay at the start. But now I cannot see very well. Right, we're basically down in Hjelmeland now. Just waiting for Tom to catch up. This isn't where we're going. We've got about 20k left before we get to the campsite. But nearly there. I'm gonna stop and get some food because I think I forgot mine. Oops. There he is. Hello. Not sure about this tunnel. Might be illegal, might not be. Kind of forgot it was here. But it's nice. Tunnels are cozy. Wasn't too far. End's just there. Tom's back there. I don't really know how far we have left. I think 20-30k shouldn't be too difficult. I think it definitely would have been a nicer ride if I hadn't gone to work first. It's not really two things that go well together. Full day at work, overnight bikepacking trip. Okay, there we go. Tunnel gone. Now we're just coming down into the valley, I think. It's a little descent and then probably another climb. Find out soon. I didn't really have much experience talking to a camera, so I feel a bit awkward about it. And I was a bit embarrassed about doing it in front of Tom, but he's so slow it doesn't really matter. He's just gone. He was there like 5 minutes ago, and now we got another little climb. This one's actually kind of steep, but just a short one, I think. I've never been this way before. Okay, that kind of looks like we're gonna go back down again. So I might wait for Tom. There he is. Slow and steady wins the race. That's what they say.
No. It's when you're cooked, then you're cooked.
That's worse. I like my one better. Okay, so I've been giving Tom a bit of grief, but to be fair, he hadn't ridden the last couple of months, and by this point he was really starting to struggle with the hills. But don't feel too bad for him. He basically handpicked the route. That was a pretty rough climb. I think Tom's had enough. But at least it's not raining. It's raining. How are we feeling?
No, I'm good.
Okay, that's good. Did you notice the rain? So we're a little bit behind schedule. Not that we didn't really have a schedule, but it's almost 10 o'clock.
You gotta stop that bullshit.
Okay, this is where we call home for the night. So.
Maybe. There's also a spot on that bend.
Stopped for like 2 minutes and the midges are all over my legs. Tried to go a bit further, see if we could get away from the midges a bit, but it's just cabins. There's no real other spots. Oh, look where you're going, Dan. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Midges. But hey, lake. I don't suppose you brought 2 bug nets, did you?
For the face?
Yeah.
No.
No, good though.
Oh shit,
Alright.
bro. Seriously not good.
No. This is a lot of midges.
Oh, fuck, good. Maybe we should bail out here.
Yeah. There might be space in the tent for both of us to sit. Oh, there's so many of them.
Is it working?
Oh, I should have bought a fucking bug net. I don't have a bug net. That's the back.
Oh no, I don't think it's gonna work. There's too many of them. Oh, fuck this shit. This is not a good idea, bro.
What? Camping here?
Yes.
I don't think we have anywhere else. Dude, it's 10 p.m.
Yeah, but like this can end up really badly. Like seriously badly. How it's gonna improve anything if we're gonna get inside with that?
Nope. I'm inside with a finite supply of them, is the key.
Oh fuck. Inside.
There's quite a lot in here already.
Fuck me.
This
is
up
bad.
here.
Yeah, this is like death. Bro, this is death. Pure death. I'm gonna die. I'm seriously gonna die. This is it's way too much for me to handle. I'm getting really bad reaction to those bites. We're gonna die. This is pure death.
That did not go to plan. There were so many midges everywhere. And then it started raining. Oh, we already put up the inner on the tent. So it was a bit too late to try and run away and find somewhere else to camp. It was already like
10:30 anyway. So we just had to deal with it. I've never seen so many midges in my life. It's fun. I think I'm just gonna sleep now, and then I'll talk more about stuff in the morning when I'm not all fucked up. Oh, good morning. That did not go well yesterday. We got completely swarmed by midges. The rain didn't make them go away. Apparently they haven't gone away now in the sun. I slept okay. But in my panic to get things set up when we got here, I put the tent on a bit of a slope. So it's sliding off my pad in the night. That was fun. I have to pee, so I have to go out into the midges. We have a bit of a plan formulated. The midges are still outside, but the sun seems to be out. So we're hoping they clear up a little bit, enough for us to pack up and fuck off. And then we're gonna have breakfast.
Fucking disaster, we're gonna die.
We're gonna have breakfast somewhere down the road.
Are they gone?
The midges?
Midges.
Midges. Yeah, midges are still midges.
Still midgets.
I mean, the midges.
Midget. Scratch.
Okay. That was not the best choice of campsite, I have to say. And I lost my spoon. Legs are a little bit sore. Take a slow start to the day. Well, nothing went to plan, really. The midges, they went away and then they came back. So I haven't had breakfast, I haven't had a coffee, I don't have any water, but we're almost at the shop, so I'm going to eat and have something to drink, and hopefully the day will get a little bit better. I'm a slow one today. What flavour is it? Blue flavour. Simple. Elegant.
And blue.
Yep. Last big climb of the journey. It's not very long, a couple of kilometres. But I'm pretty tired. Knees hurt. I'm ready to go home and have a beer. Yeah, about 20k to go. This hill's not too bad, it's just quite steep. But it's a busy day. When the sun comes out in this part of Norway, everybody goes and does the thing that they've been waiting for good weather to do. You get cyclists and motorbikes, cars, motorhomes and caravans, and there's people. It's nice. The view over there, eagle up there, It was pretty good. The view, don't know if you can see it. It's quite nice. And then just up here, I don't know, 500 meters or something. It's the top of the climb. There's a big downhill, and then no more climbs for the whole way home, mostly.